batunda ettaka n'amayumba bo besigwa be batakusiba kiwani Connected properties be bakuyunga ku makaga golubererako nekole naye ekibanja mpola kati beeyune munywanyi
Tusange ku office zaffe ku Kampala Road ku Mabirizi Complex ku mwaliro gw'omusanvu ne Nansana ku Mastowa ku kizimbe okuli Opportunity Bank ku mwaliro gw'okubiri oba tukubire ku ssimu naawe osobola okufuuka landlord n'ekyapa kyo mu ngalo.
Connected properties.
Boss, Lugalabi Mugobi. Gulu yakedde kusiba tayiro ekawungezi ne ziyika ne muleka. Leero akedde kuzisiba. Kati mbadde enzigala ekinabiro bwende zingoberera.
Akozesa biki?
Alina ekivere tekiyawo tekitegeerekeka oba mulimu ki?
Ebyo abantu bakyabikozesa basibisa Arapex Style Adhesive tiles ne zinywera.
Arapex Style Adhesive takyaliko kubaganya birowoozo. Buli ayagala okunyweza tiles ku kisenge oba awantu wonna gwakozesa. Ne UNBS yakonamu dust stamp ng'omutindo kyekyo akolebwa Zident Tile Center ku noti 753 noti 65 M28.
So bana ya basilamu salamu alaikum wa baha bakamarayo batiyasima zibayo bakamarayo nayenga salamu alaikum abali eyo ne baddamu nti wa alaikum salam onako olwaleero idi tuli wano ffe ku monitor ne prosi ndowooza omulaba prosi ye yakoze yakazaala nakawere ono ye Rita say hi nozola naye yakoze wow so regardless we move and Linda Den yetajja kujja leero oyo omwana tasobola kukola public holiday mumanyi kozi katonda anatusaasira busaasizi naye ngemanya mumanyimu but anyway onako olwaleero abasiraamu ekisooka njagala baagaliza kisiibo kirungi wali ku mpewo ngenda kuba nkola amateeka agafuga idi olunaku lwaleero olinawo kapeeni awo njagala wano ku on air ngenda kufulumya amateeka agafuga idi omusiraamu yenna ali eyo agamanye bulungi olinawo kapeeni awo ye muno nga temuli mpapula monita tegwanga tetumanyi olinayo n'okulupapulaawo temuli mpapula so ngenda kukola amateeka agafuga mama nyabe bbina mbadde ngudde wansi amateeka agafuga idi ngenda kubanga bawa olunaku lwaleero otherwise nsubira okuba nti kati idi ebayisa bulungi. I hope you're having a good time. It's been quite a busy weekend. It's quite a busy time. Regardless, we move. So I hope you guys are doing well. Ndoza moda ebenyumidde ekintu kino ekintu kikwasaganya abasiraamu bambi mukulike eyo nnyo naye sitati eyo ebakakatako gisiiba wamma abasiraamu bateeka osiiba sitati kubanga nina emboozi gye njagala onyumiza abasiraamu naye yabadde ereesa obuzibu mwankwaayo akantu kanyumidde buli andaba kangamba banaye Kasuku wasenga wasiramuka Kasuku senga oli musiraamu nkituufu naye Kasuku talumwa njala nze n'enjala tetulina we twesanga mu mboozi nti enjala n'emuluma olaba kati wano mmala bumazi ssaawa nnya nga siridde alusa ne zittuka nze every after 2 hours nina okubayo ne kyendya every after 2 hours obulamu otambula every after 2 hours nina okubaako ne kenteeka mu lumuto naye ye embeera ekyagenda mu maaso awo katubasabire abasiraamu ekintu mukikwasaganye kansoke nyingire wano munda mu KFM waliwo omulamu ogugenda mu maaso musoke muguwuliremu sawa mmeka 3:23 kanyingire musoke muwulire ku mulamwa guno gwe bateesaako maye abantu beewunza abantu balina ebizibu ebiri obvious. You know, for me now, I want to tell you, my husband cheated on me. Should I stay or go? Obuza fe? You asking us? Fe? Era fe? Wabula muntu monyabunya. Why now? Where is that? Kasuku, my husband is a night dancer. Ngole enti ate musezi. Ate kana abana bubamanyira. Procedure I want tell them ko. Mayo bali tawa neteka ataina kadi toyingira. Omwana oyo atufuze bubi wano. Omwana oyo mwali muyitiriza okumala gajja kati kandawe wano muwuliriza omulamwa guno.
Okay, Kasuku wants to say something. Contribute to this mulamwa.
Omulamwa
Angela slept with the friend's the partner's boyfriend, and it was a mistake. One of Angela
slept with the partner's boyfriend.
Partner's best friend.
But Angela slept with the partner's boyfriend. Angela is gay.
So Angela is worried. Angela is asking, what should she do?
So Angela slept with someone's boyfriend. Mama,
yes. Okay, yeah. But the boyfriend of Angela is this guy's best friend. Would you report? And she's of course worried the guilt is killing her. So Angela
Kati
slept with Kasuku. Kasuku is Angela's boyfriend's best friend.
Oh.
But
so Kati Angela ina mukwano gwe Juliet. So I slept with Juliet's husband. Angela slept with Juliet's husband.
Things?
There are two women, one man.
Hey.
So the man is who Angela slept with.
Yes.
The man is Juliet's husband, which Juliet is Angela's best friend.
Yes. So Angela is asking.
Yes.
Because guilt is killing her. Should she tell the boyfriend?
So now Angela is asking if he should tell Brian, the boyfriend.
Yes. Kubanga. So what should Angela do?
Angela should take rat poison. Because guilt is killing her. Yeah, but honestly, in the society we live in, Angela should keep quiet. Yes, how which sort of guilt pushes her to that level? We have done worse things. People are sleeping with their mothers-in-law.
What?
Yes, and they are keeping quiet.
No way.
People are bedding their sisters-in-law. They are sleeping with brothers-in-law. Obulamu ne bugenda maaso. Alekerawo ebyo ebintu byekise omwana oyo atusumbuwa. Oyo omwana mugamba atuleke. Yes, let her keep quiet. So, ayinza ogamba mulokole. Loyalty.
She's loyal.
She's loyal? Yeah. Okay. Agende maaso. Tetumulinaako obuzibu. But she should keep quiet. Because she's going to disrupt how many people there.
Many.
She's going to fall out with the best friend, the boyfriend, and even the best friend may fall out with the husband. So one guilty person is going to disrupt 3 other people. Nedda. Oyo mwana oyo nedda. We have so many problems at touch collar.
Yeah.
Let her keep quiet. If she feels she's very guilty, let her look for me.
What will you do?
I think if you cheat on someone you don't know, you don't feel guilty.
Wow.
So she can come and cheat on me.
You know.
Yes. Do you know that my girlfriend is called Angela?
Hey.
Yes.
Girlfriend or wife?
I don't have a wife yet.
Hey.
Yes, I have a girlfriend and Mama Wabana.
Hey.
Yes.
So you have 2?
She's the same person.
Okay, man.
Yes. So, yes. She's the same person. She's called Angela. My darling Angela. Owaye leero nyafuna ku mirembe. Egro twade mmotoka nanzigirayo ke nayogera akamu.
No sirika.
Ere mmotoka yatuuse yimba KFM. Mayiko Sunday waberako obuyimbo. Yatuuse kanga tuli mu KFM is a Sunday. Ngasogera kigambo neki. Kati leero noza anja kufuna ku mirembe munna.
Nengo yambadde bulungi.
Anti kati munnaye basiraamu bino byonna obyambala bakuyite ku mmere. Ebyana ebyo ne bikaluba. N'omubuuza kilo y'omuceere gye nandiridde genda kukola ki? Okitegeera. Ate era ndeeta amateeka agafuga Idi. Okitegedde? Yes. Ngaleeta ngenda gabasomera wano wetulaga. Okitegeera. Bagatuwe. Nga bawe mugagoberere. Madde siina nnyo. Naye ku Luthumu babadde bampise. Ne bbaawe. Babadde bampise. Naye gye bagenda olira Idi walamu. Lyantonde.
Wala. Sika mmere. Bakimanyi ki eryantonde?
Nze ate ebyalo emmere tentuusa mu byalo.
Bakimanyi ki eryantonde?
Mama wa Akram ali Lyantonde. So
tegeza wa Akram bayina ente nnyingi.
Bangamba nti nfaananamu Akram. Oba kituufu?
Kulaba kati gwe.
I don't know. People always tell me. You know, they've told me I look like Akram. Or this Nigerian guy. It's called who? There's a Nigerian. They tell me I look like Ayimba. Some guy with a very big beard. And Pamitata. Baby nana do dan dan do dan dan di dan 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 Timaya. Bamfana mu Timaya. Mam the poor version. Timaya omwavu afaanana bwati. Ebyana ebyo mu Timaya omwavu mufaanana.
Amuleta ddi wano?
Timaya yajjako wano naye kati wano najja. Waizo maati ebivulo bisala.
Nga Peru yakuteyo.
Peru yakuteyo tomanyi nti Peru bamuzizise.
Bamuzizise suna bene.
Bamuzizise.
Naye andibadde tamalaako yekka.
Teyandisobodde vibe tebaddeyo.
Bambi Peru naye kaana kato nnyo. Kasajja katini konna.
Naye maama Navio wakitukoze. Nga ye naye ali ku gaadi y'omwana.
Oli international star. They don't blame Navio. Or you know, kwetega.
Okay, for me, I think with such things, what they need to do more. Chibaino kuongera ko Katibaino tandika. Abayimbi baffe just ngatabera ubezi ku gadi. Promoter katinga oba malende lifestyle Ye malembe. Bama mwogera mukonono aliya And I think chiba chiyamba nnyo n'omuyimbi lwakwa kale ballus tebakiraba that way nti omuyimbi obeera osigazaayo oli abeerazze ekiba kisobola okukomyawo. So when you're going to hire like Fireboy oba ono guy yajja yani Ruga tufunayo wano omuyimbi gwe tulaba kati nga fake fameka oba kati ono bamuwadde Navio n'akolayo kolo yimba naye babeera ba exchanginga. Kati omuyimbi abeera ajja like 2 days before. Okay, day before. Ono yajja Thursday kiro. Ne ba recordingayo ne bamaliriza project because ono baweza no ne bamaliriza project ne babaawo kati ono promoter kayongerako kitegeera. Nebo babuuza ffe tukoleredde nnyo. We have worked so hard for the business. Chicho otaddeko kujjako kutwala ssente.
Eddie Kenzo coming in with Nsimbo Day. Right here on the Mighty Breakfast. Very good morning to you. Eddie Kenzo is not going to call you on Idi Kasuku. If Eddie calls you, would you go?
Yes, of course I would go. Yes. I have no issues with him, by the way. Yes. No, we don't talk.
Nebyagwa.
Yeah.
Hey.
No, me, I don't have any issues with him.
Hey.
Yeah. So if he called me for Eid, of course, because katinina mateka genata dewa gafuga Eid.
Hey.
Njagalanga kusomere wano.
Nga Mr. Kasuku.
Yes, nga Mr. Kasuku. Ekisoko omuntu yenna yena anampita ku Eid njagala transport.
You want transport?
Yes.
If someone calls you, they must transport you.
Yeah, even bino you're breaking fast. After when the fuel prices went up.
Hey.
Jukira when fasting began, naliako ku muzikiti gwe Bukoto, ne kuguno gwa Sudiru.
That's the only people who do that is the Uganda government. They call you and they pay you.
Yeah, but also here, people need to understand. I drive a Benz 3.5.
You know?
So when you're inviting me, look at that car thing at any petrol station. Diesel is now 5400.
Yeah.
Petrol is 5200 or 53. So you need to understand that a kilo of rice
you don't just stand up with your ML for nothing.
Yes.
Yeah.
So for your compound to have it's not an ML. It's a formatic.
It's a formatic.
Yeah, my friend, it's a formatic. Yes.
Kasuku.
No, bitu yo bikolo olusi.
Watulese musu.
Nabaleka dda. Yes. My ancestors made it happen for me.
Kanefubeko.
Chongera mu amanyi.
You know?
Angobola chongera mu mwezi manyi. Oja chigusa. Iwo. So, Amateka, the rules that are governing Eid today. One, if you invite a person of my caliber, honorable as I am, please avail transport.
Yeah.
Because how do I drive my car from the Life suburbs of Chanja?
What?
Life.
What's that?
Chifunga chabagaga Life.
That's what it means.
Leafy suburbs of Chanja.
Yes,
the leafy. Tomainti abagaga compounds is very munyo green bichi. That's why I call leafy. Hey, so ita you know these people they say abagaga lomu barifachi. By name it by green yempewe chafu wake nonji. Memubu kamyala you jump one gutter to another. Abagaga lomu barifa. We are not going to die anytime soon. We are still here with you.
Why are you saying?
And we shall give Mabuko because I'm rich. Auntie Baga Mambalokole. Take it. Katinange chobogaga chitutu.
From the leafy suburbs
of Chanja. So you talk to me nicely, I tell you how much my car would take. But still, Sisuka Kampala Metropolitan
5 kilometers.
5 kilometers from Kampala.
Kati
owe mukono tompita. Mpiji tompita busega ate busega yo ekyali kumpi ne Kampala naye tompita.
Chengera.
Abantu bavu banji nyawa I don't like boy. Yakonsomboa.
Chengera buddo.
Nze nyizogende buddoze. Son of Namukasa. Nze ntingenze kumere buddo.
But it's near.
Do you know that they had offered my son a position in Buddo?
King's College?
Not King's College. Nino mwana wa senior nze.
Buddo Junior?
Yes.
And you refused?
I refused. My son is in Kaboja.
It's too far.
Because I can't handle jam. Let me tell you, you can't. It's very. You know, I know a guy. Omumanyi guy. Sija kubogera linyere, but some very fat guy. Omumanyi. He left his home in Nigeria, Zimba. Apangisa Korolo.
He's renting?
Yes, for avoidance of jam.
Are you serious?
Apangisa onga kuku ceremonial grounds.
Kololo?
Around there. Wapangisa.
$3,000?
Yes, Sevo. He makes the money. And his excuse was you can't be sitting in jam all that long. And by the way, Brian, to inform you, very many people are now building in areas of Matoga, far away. You go, you find a guy with a very posh home in Luwero. Kalidanga ya jizimba kuliken nimiro kuliko bichi, kavumbe wakisowa. But because of the jam, nasala wasigarenga apangisa. Nagamba kati weekends na agenderi.
Country home.
Then these public holidays like now, which nabereyo. Then
until the city moves.
When he retires, then he will go back. Because man, the cost of jam in this country. Futo obera mu jam no liraba. Ngaligwayo no gamba aluta continua. So the transport should be available, but to areas that are acceptable. Pitangoli Muyenga. Invite me and Brian when you're in Colorado.
You know?
The leafy suburbs of Nigeria. Namugongo is okay because it's becoming leafy.
Yeah.
Say Tatuleke, we don't want. Mukono stay there. Tukwata we no. Gayaza is okay. Gayaza Kasangati is okay.
Yeah. Very nice road.
Yes, very nice road.
Yeah.
Then Matugaish, okay.
Don't reach
Don't reach. Aha, this is again in the jet. So what are you? Ntebe road is okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So those people, one of us say got told brother. Mubere mu byennyanja bya mao no kuderi river salon. Tawaji musega batunda byennyanja nnyo.
At the roundabout.
No, Izoroza, it's a fish.
Yeah.
Fish area.
Hey.
Nyandoza busega was a swamp.
The fishy suburbs.
The fishy suburbs. Obere you know wali wa someone ebyennyanja ne bikunyirira. Basulayo batya. Oshtegera. Now, so then also we want basmat. The rice should be basmat. Sikuno mchele okujjanga akawunga.
Not super.
Basmat, super sibimanyi. Basmat.
Why basmat?
Era uli abagita empeke ya nabbi. It comes, you can see it, the grains.
That's what they call it empeke.
Empeke y'omubaka. Yes, wali. Not posho. Waliwo abafumba omuceere nga gulinga kawunga tompita. Nja kubawa mnavavumira bwerere. I want those things. And as you serve, have multiple dishes. We have not come to eat only rice. Omuntu nakuyira a bucket y'omuceere nombuuza, am I eating to die or to spoil on the bed? Oshegera chengamba. Ebyo bintu mubirekerawo. Stop those things. Omunowera ng'olya kupama ku buliri. It's not good.
You want some rice, some chicken?
Yes.
Yeah.
Some rice, Irish, spaghetti.
But Kasuku, you like food.
No. It is important.
See your face.
I'm food. This body is made by food. Yeah. You can't search it and I'm eating rice alone.
Yeah.
Variety. Take a ice cream or side.
Yeah.
Take a yes. Watermelon, mangoes, juice. The juice should come. It's not jule. Juice ngari original. Jule mumanyi. Olia iwa amazi mu juice. Si juice mu mazi.
Hey.
Should
you feel like that?
Yes, so that when the juice settles, it is up, not the water up. Then time, Basidamu obudde.
But Basidamu don't waste time.
Basidamu bali asawa 10.
Why?
Mzatemanyi, would they be cooking various meals?
Those are Christians.
No, Christians we eat on time. Abasidamu, when you invite me today, sawa musanvu, make it a point. Speed jamukoyesa nga musibulukuka, jemba mukoyesa 1.
Yes, because they are things.
Have you seen them when it's coming to 7?
20 minutes.
Oh, now masi. The moment 2, even a few seconds left. But I said, Damasi, speed, yo jemoba mokozesa. No lunaku lwaleero. Oluko no musanvu banaitulye. Yes, but people make you eat at 4. Tubalete tusiiba. Alusa nezikutuka. Nezikuluma. Then also, to those democratic Muslims, why were you Republican conservative? Abo bote bachusa. Ne waliwo ba democratic Muslims. Otekaho coca beer outside. Hey, no Twitter.
Isn't it? It's against the
it's against na yechi choba achigonzamu kokati. Kateka outside.
Bakutereri mu tent yo.
Kunsonde eri. Tunywira kati ni mpola. I mean, yes, chicho muntu mu bulamu bwense eno chechi kunywesa amazi ne juice byokka. Where are you born to suffer? How do you drink only water and juice? So, Oshteged, those are the matakers for it now. We go to our real stories. What have you, Mayinja? Do you know what Mayinja did? The man sang a song. Did you hear the song?
No.
Should I sample it for you?
What is it praising the birthday boy?
Mayinja said the people sent him that they are done and tired. That he traversed the whole country trying to sell someone the people said, Tomokoye, give us another option.
He's so confused, that man.
Man.
Is poverty killing him to that level?
But maybe he saw the light.
But he's so confused.
I think the person is singing about, is he indeed no longer popular? We don't know. But according to Mayinja, he says, abantu baganye, people have refused.
Sample them. Sample them.
Onompelekera.
Wa. Echitali.
Ebugolobi. Chitali after tunatoka one kanka zunyi kangozenyo ndechikemu.
Yes.
Obanga tulona atandika ddi.
What? Excuse me. Jaco, please. Excuse me. Ronald Mayinja, does he know the sitting capacity of a drone?
Well, the man has spoken his mind.
Is that his mind?
I think. Because this is the same man who said, Mosei, Akaruru, Mosei. I don't know. He has not put anything else. Because, by the way, for Mayinja, he has never complained. He has never come out to say, I was not paid, or this and this and this. I think for him, they gave him his money, or he did it out of love, Nechigwa. Now, I think he has seen otherwise.
So that song is called Binemie.
For a person like Mayinja, I sympathize with him. Mayinja could have been an MP now. Because he was coming in Gomba on the Nope ticket. He was one of Bobby's close buddies like this. I'm very certain he would have gotten that card. Coupled with his popularity as a musician, I think he would be in Parliament now. But he made his own decision, went and sang from 70, that campaign song. Well, most of those guys, by the way, they are not doing well. Promoters are not hiring them. The truth is, they are not doing well. So, people, they say we need to go back to the masses and what. I think that is wrong. You need to do what you have to do. You know, if you chose, we don't need to make it look like it is a crime to support what you support. You get it. However, now like his song, truthfully, if he made the research and is saying what he saw, he's justified. It may anger people on the other side. Then this side may be happy. But when you ask the question, do we have good hospitals? They are there. Is there medication? No. Do we have good roads? But you have to pay for them. Meaning those who can't afford to pay can do what? Like he has begun with here. So if the things he's saying are true, we really don't need, he can even say me, I'm still supporting Museveni. Or I'm still supporting NRM. But this is what the people have done what? Have said. I think the only thing people don't like are the double standards. At one point you're this side, then the next point you're the other side.
Let him choose.
Then also is someone coming out to show everything is okay when people feel it is not.
Even
what?
The Bible says, do not be lukewarm.
Yes.
Yeah, you need to
so
choose.
Mayinja has done it. We are waiting to see. He had gone back to school. He has been doing LDC. Yes.
Sure.
Mayinja yomukubagaya basomedde ddala. Yaddayo ku mobs n'asoma.
He really wants to be an MP.
No, I don't think he wants to be an MP anymore. I think he just wants to be like, because I did an interview with him one time at Match India Court there, where he was doing his internship, and he told me, you know what, Kasuku, we have really outgrown the music. We may not be able to ride the same pace.
He wants to be like Silver Chagula.
Yeah, so I think he wants to move into law and do his own things. By the way, when I was coming back from South Africa, I was on the same plane with Silver Chagula. He came, he said hi. Yeah. I'm like, yeah, what's up? I told me, Kasuku, you're also using the Emirates. I just wanted to make sure you know that I use the Emirates. Like, Kasuku, you're using the Emirates. I'm like, yeah, man, I'm using the Emirates. They're like, okay, well, safe flight. And I'm like, well, why do you say safe flight when you're the same plane? Let's say same plane, safe flight. You know those things.
At newa liyo tudewa.
Era we je ali language nali. Ene mabega, twali mabega.
Ngakutoi.
Siga kutoi. Ngakutoi naliyo ku Ethiopian. Abaana abo ne banfuyisa akawewo katoya ako. Sijja kujiddamu. Sidda kunyonyi Ethiopian eyo. Abaana bali bazisiza akawewo. Kati waliwo abagamba banyumya biki ku nnyonyi beeraga mwana wa kintu. It's okay. Kakana. Kuba okyetaaga. So munaye Mayinja bw'atyo. Kintu ng'akisuulawo. And
ng'akivamu bw'ati.
Alabika okuba oluyimba alukubya apevingira we muhozi. Ayinza okuba ayimbye nti abantu baganye 40 years vaawo omulala gye. Kati ate omulala jja ye najja n'akuba muhozi gwe twagala. Ebintu by'ensi obivaako. Naye nze ndowooza Mayinja ekyo kyakoze. Brian, amazima gali nti kyo njagala kyogerera wano. Many people abali mu NRM ne government naddala bali mu politics tebamanyi bano baana kye bayitamu. Bano abawagira NRM. Abantu NRM eno tebajagala nnyo. Okay. Waliwo abantu betulaba bali vocal social media abalala bakusanga one on one ne bakuviirayo bayinza okuba be batini, but they have mastered the art of inconveniencing you. Oba okitegera. In fact, at some point twawulirako rumor, we don't know how true it is, mukyala we was contemplating ogende Canada. Mukyala wa Mayinja. Kagamba ayinza okuba agenda Canada akube ku kyeyo kuba alinayo bakwano be bangi. Nga wano kiganyeemu. Kuba kati omukyala oyinza sanga obusente bwafuna oba omukyala ali mu Buganda Land Board oba wa Hildaman oyinza sanga obusente bwafuna nga tebukwatagana. Kati Mayinja nga ayinza okuba yabadde agamba kandeete fees gwegula requirements kuba kati bwe bibeera. Kati omukyala nga yalina oleeta fees ne requirements nalaba nga tekikola. But but Mayinja was known for such songs. Africa. Yera yimbeze nyimba za activism. Nze kyokka ekyannuma ku Mayinja. Mayinja yali agenda yingira parliament. Lwakubeera bagamba waaye sente zaano ziringa za muyindi. Akasente mwolina kukyokka kozeemu. Nze neewunya abo abaana. Bayite kankubuulireko. Nze abo abaana. Nze Katonda nnyambako ekintu kimu. Nze lwakuba nti nze nagaana okuvaayo ne nga nti ngenda kujoyininga abo bantu. Nze natulanga mu meeting ezimu. Nga ne batozituddemu oli wali kumpi. Abantu ne bafuna ssente. N'olaba omuntu nga bamuwadde miliyoni aga. Nkikubulira wano Brian. 50 million. Nazirya. Nga taguzeeko mmotoka taguzeeko ttaka. Kuba ezo meeting ijjukira zaatuulanga. Almost every day nga mutuuza. Kati jjukira mu time y'obululu awo abantu bangi buli omu yali ayagala kulaga nti akola kuba pressure yali nnene. Nga muyinza meetinga nze nina abantu be nabeeranga ku mugongo nga muyinza meetinga abantu olunaku ng'aba naye nga 3 days out of 7 days mu meeting abantu banjawulo naye nga bw'ogenda wano wali ne babawaayo miliyoni 5 beba mugezi gomugezi naye bamaanyi miliyoni 10 miliyoni biki gye bali abantu by the way abawagira mu 7 nga bo sente baziteekamu nga ne mu 7 tamanyi.
Yes.
Bo either they want to keep their interests alive or something like that, you know. Naye nga sente abantu bazifuna. Naye olunaku lwaleero abantu bangamba tebalina sente. Abantu bangamba baavuze simanyi sente balala bazikozeemu. Omuntu nga taguzeeyo 105 nga zo sente bazibawadde. Amazima nana omuntu gwe nadde njogera naye era wa state house awo kyaliwa nga tunyumyamu nga naye abaana nanga Kasuku abaana ku ssente zonna ze baafuna bo tunaaba tuwa bobokka buli kaseera ne mugamba nti kati kyebba mukola mubafunireyo emirimu
ffe baziweffe baziweffe ffe tuli bantu bagezi baziweffe bave kwabo
ebyo nno si byangu naye nga embeera yo yabatabukiramu abantu bababoola abantu babaweereza message ezibavuma
because you know the consequences if you support, for example, the NRM. You know the backlash you're going to get. So invest, because there's a time when you're not going to be called.
Yeah, but also you can support NRM akajanja ne kaba katini. Katola abafudde yabana nalinnyamu. Nagamba omanyi osobola okuwagira naye n'obaako wookoma. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know if that was it. Kuba omuliro yagusalamuko okusinziira ku guli ogwaliwo. Wabawo ekikutuukako oba kyolaba noga nti sijja kweyiwayo nzenna kubanga so kyekyo. Ameno.
That is the Amapiano remix coming in from Goya, Meno, and Neptunes right here in the Mighty Breakfast. Vananga, I hope they don't bring this one now.
Yeah.
And he performs his one song.
Hey.
Before the promoters in Uganda.
No, but do you know where that song came from? There's a church song where they copied that. That's all. Some guy with the but me, I'm happy. The things we tell people here, you can go back and revisit some music and you reinvent. Right. You get it, eh?
Before we go, tell us about Suna Ben.
Suna Ben, that man from Masaka, the guy fired up the place. I think what Suna Ben does is what DJ Benny D.
Wycliffe John's DJ.
Yes, you remember when he came here?
Yes.
You remember what he used to do? He comes from stage, he MCs, then he goes back. Katisuna Ben here kubirako ne bono traditional instruments. Then he goes na take a moment mabega na kubirako rap bichi. You know, I mean, you hire him for 1 hour and you feel it is worth it.
Prepare the audience for you.
Yes, but do you know that Suna Ben does a one-man show? Jalanga tabera koba mwerekedde most times.
No artist.
He begins the show at 9 or 8 up to midnight.
4 hours.
4 hours alone. Stop. Yes.
Him and Mbazira Tony.
Yes, please. Yes. So one, I'm happy for a person like him. When you see people who genuinely break barriers without supporting me, I started with one shoe like this. Now I have a full factory. Mwana go ajitandikadde. Tumulire mu government ani yakuwa sente zitandika factory. But these people bali Masaka. And for me, my worry today, when you hear someone saying we are going to invest a lot in entertainment and sports, I get worried. Genuinely, they are going to invest in it. But those who want to eat money will spoil it for us who have been here.
Yeah.
They will spoil it for us.
For you who actually do the work.
Exactly. Because someone will then requisition 3 billion, 30 billion, we want to build a studio.
And then
they come, they do substandard work. Government believes there are studios that have been made, yet there are none.
Yes.
Now that means people like Suna Ben will not be able to break through. Because after government invests a lot of that money, they're going to put rules, laws. Meaning, togenda kufubutuka masikanga bo badovaayo, ojosamba akaji, vetting, itawano, itawali. So that is my only worry. The only part, jetubale to China, until you can still move from Masaka,
and you can
be on radio, do what you do, KFM sees you, brings you to Kampala, no samba akaji. Nga wala Suna Ben be yakola. So, but I'm happy for him. At least his story will inspire other people in Masaka. Omwana wafe yakubye cricket oval.
Yes.
Oshtegera.
Yes.
And what he's doing is unique.
Yeah.
However, DJ Bobato inalo don't copy. Kube bintu Suna Ben byakole binyanya. Do you know binyanya? Should I explain to you binyanya?
I know it as the 20K. The 20K note is called a chinyanya.
Suna Ben says his music is pork.
What?
And I'm telling you, he says his music is pork. Yeah? Now, these things you hear, tata 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 tata. Then he says, "What did I be?" Now they are pouring the binyanya in the pot.
Oh my God.
What did I tula? They are putting. What did I be? So when you're talking, boy of Islam, you don't know the binyanya they are talking about. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, but congratulations and thank you, Suna Ben and Bazira Tone. Yeah, such stories, they're out here to inspire so many other people that you can do it. And yeah, so we hope so many other people will come with their own style. Guy has any style here. Not kubebi nyanya.
And he's now
yeah, and by the way, corporates hire these people.
Yeah.
Because many of you pretend like, have you met corporates talking about condoms?
Corporates look down on some of us who
Auntie Udiliza. Bogera Oria Janaga Mantino. You say you go live? Why don't you use condoms? Ogeno Sanga Inabana Abidi. No Muzanti, Mr. Corporate. So you did how? How did you do it? Watch Kozucha. So with corporates, they are pretenders. Then assigning a company, corporate company. They bang Kasuku. Hey, to be Oyogeda. Vichi. Ban today, Mobile in the MD company. Now Kasuku was in Yumida. Hey, Nemgana is whatever Sajaba Bangam Yanga vehicle. We do it on paper. Na efeto byagale no era ben contract sebaji renewing
Paka kati olinda
bangama Kasuku ekintu enkuba George kuba mbaba tukyagala naye our image,
yeah, our corporate identity.
Na Kasuku fira ku Facebook na YouTube chakivola bamwe abatula ku YouTube benkuga ntobuka
kalango
obubuka lwaki ngo badde osinika ebinnyo byo. Kasuku, you're so funny what when I don't have money
tugende Kasuku
mulekerawo ebintu by'ekisiru mbane nkyalina bwino bwenjagala obawa, but I think Branjangu
so kovere tugenda kusoma mawulire
atagaso yayambadde wiigi ki
vayo mwana asoma amawulire
kawiigi k'amaanyi nkugamba linda denaze omwana oyo linda deni atuukira ddala leeti Chesterman brand gyawonteeremukko wano nfulome sinnamanya Linda Den, which person advised you not to be in my live videos? Just tell me honestly, who told you not to come here early and be in my live videos?
Love videos.
Yes, that's all I want to know. Because all of these days, you are avoiding me.
I can't avoid you. You know that.
You come late,
No, I have
and people keep asking me, oh, where's Linda Jen? Where's Linda Jen? Jangu tusembeleno ababayazina bayinza okunkwata copyright. Yeah. So Linda Jen, exactly who told you not to be in my live video?
No one.
Because you come late, but you look good these days. You're put on relative weight.
I've been trying to get
You don't have very big cheeks anymore. How was you were the MC at Fireboy?
Yeah.
How was it?
Was amazing.
You loved it? How was Suna Ben said?
I loved his set. Though he was just doing Akola, he just does. Yeah. What come what to me. He was just doing. It didn't make sense, but then it made sense. I don't know if you know it. Like you know, you're like, what are you? And then you're like, oh, okay. So he took us for a ride.
You just enjoyed yourself.
We just went with the flow.
So guys, Linda Den is here. I think Linda, we need to do an interview. People keep asking me, where is Linda? Where is Linda? You come late, you're avoiding my videos. Did our boss say she doesn't want these videos anymore? No, I need to know. If he said it, I have a word with him. To explain to me
I trust you now.
how far
Yeah, man.
he's supposed to go
When it
in
comes
this
to
business.
I apologize. Man, not your outside countries.
No, I came back.
Kati awototo gambye sorry.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry.
No, sorry, I came back. Sorry, I came back.
Sorry, I did one.
Sorry, I left you.
Now you know.
Linda, then there's someone.
Punishment.
There's someone who wants to house you in South Africa.
Me.
Yes, he wants to invite you. He's my friend. I gotta just to like akulambuze South Africa Santon like for 5 days. What does it take? Now I'm just asking, what does it take? What does it take? Sibya kukola.
No, I'm going to work there now. I have to go and put people some requests. You have a song request, Kasuku?
Yes. That time I asked you to play for Bonnie and Clyde.
And I played it for you.
Did you?
Yes, I did.
Can you begin with Bonnie and Clyde today?
Amen.
Okay.
Don't worry.
So I'm going to be here waiting.
I can't touch you because
you what?
I break you, buy.
Yeah?
I break you, I buy you. I just say that's it.
Fitina kati yegena baruma na ebe mutyo bana mwe mwantama kati mugenda nyiga naye kyana kirinda we kiri wano na musajja ayagala kitwalako out kukiriisa ku ssente abantu mubeereyo nga mwesabbuna naye nga mulina ssente kiki ekikubisa sabbuuni ng'olina ssente linda ddeeni muteeke mu ssente omukime omutwale okitegeera oleme kwesabbuna ekyo kive mu ddiiro naye bannaye ensi etyo ensi bwetyo naye ekitiisa waliwo omusajja eyamukyawa nga tayagadde kumanya naye ndowooza okiraba kyonna ndowooza okiraba naye omusajja yakikyawa sirina kyenkyagaza bwekiri kiraba tulaba kankibategeza naye entiisa nga yeyembeera eryawo ndowooza okiraba omusajja yakigoba nga tayagadde kumanya nagamba nkooye ovanga ku nsi one man's meat ate naasukkawo awo banaye mubeere bulungi mweraba.